Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the next type of constraint, that is not null constraint. So not null constraint is the constraint which denies the null values. So inside a column, in a table, in a particular column, you want to deny the null values. Entries should be avoided. Surely a value should be entered. If you are willing to have that, then you can use this constraint, not null constraint. So actually by default, if you are entering a null value, SQL will allow. So in any table, in any column or any field, if you are trying to insert a null value, it is allowed by default. So if you want to restrict that, then you can use the not null constraint. So this will not accept the null values. So you can do this in two different ways. The first way is during the table creation. So you want to create a table. So I have given a table name sample2. So I am having name age. So age should not be null, for example. So here age number, after the data type you have to leave a space, then you have to give not space null. So if you are giving that, this column will not allow null values. So that is the meaning for this. So we will execute and see. So the table has been created. Now if you are trying to insert a null value, so here I am having a null value. So this is sample2A, right? So here what is the violation? Cannot insert null into sample2A.age. So you have a restriction that you should not insert null values. So this not null constraint is violating the null value. So the same entry, instead of having a null value, if I am giving a valuable value, it is allowing, row is getting created, but null values are restricted with the help of not null constraint. So this is the first way. The second way is after the table creation. You have created a table. So I am having a table, create table sample2B, name and age. I have not mentioned any constraint here right now. So after the table creation, at some point of time, I want to insert the not null constraint. Then you can do it with the help of alter command. Alter table. Then you have to give the table name. Then you have to use the keyword modify, followed by the column name, that is age. Then you can give the constraint not null. So I created the table. Now I have altered the table. Now if I am trying to give not null, it is working. So now let me try an insertion with a null value. So if I am trying to insert a null value, it is again posting a restriction, violation. So not null constraint can be done at the time of table creation in this method, or after the table creation. If you are liking to insert a null constraint, not null constraint, then you can do it with the help of alter command. So in the next video, you'll see some other constraint. Stay tuned. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you.